What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and customize the watch faces on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro or any of the Xiaomi smart watches or fitness trackers. So here we go. So first of all, launch the Mi Fitness application on your smartphone, then go to the device tab. So here you can see the very first option is manage band displays. Just tap on this and then it will show you all of the options that are available for your Smart Band 8 Pro. So here is the tab called online. If you go to my band displays, so these are the watch faces that are installed on your Smart Band 8 Pro already. So if you want to use any of these smartwatches, just tap on that. After that, all you have to do is tap on this apply button and you can see this smartwatch and you can see this watch face is applied on my Smart Band 8 Pro. If I want to use this one, then once again I have to go there, tap on apply, and it will be applied on my Smart Band 8 Pro as you can see here. Now if you go to the online tab, here you can see that we got plenty of different watch faces for our Smart Band 8 Pro. You can even refresh it to get the new ones all the time. We got the sections like popular, we got editor's pick, lots and lots of options we got here. Now let's say if you want to install any of these watch faces on your Smart Band 8 Pro, for example, let's try this one. Just tap on this, then it will give you this information, what is the size of this particular watch face. All you have to do is now tap on apply button and it will start installing this particular watch face on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. And here we go. So now it is installed and applied on our Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro as you can see here. Let's say after installation and after using it for a while you want to delete it, then you can just tap on these three dots and then you can just tap on delete watch face to delete it from your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So this is how you can install any of these new smart watch faces on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. It also comes with plenty of options as we have seen at the top of this screen here. We got popular, editor's pick, simple, formal, and if you go to categories, you can get the watch faces from different categories like fresh and fun, custom, dynamic, formal, simple, tech, sci-fi. Lots of options out there. You can even install some cartoon watch faces as well on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So this is how you can install new watch faces on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.